Oil continues to extend losses. Donald Trump's speech at the Economic Club of New York did not meet the expectations of market participants. Besides, traders did not get any clues about the prospects of the trade deal. The ruble has eased against the dollar, holding at the level of 64. Currency and commodity markets are currently facing pressure from a number of negative factors. This week, investors tend to avoid risks. The US president was rather unclear when characterizing the current state of the trade negotiations. On the one hand, the two countries are close to finalizing the trade deal. However, Washington does not intend to lift the tariffs imposed on Chinese goods. Moreover, there are speculations that the White House is going to impose tariffs for automotive products from the EU. The ongoing unrest in Hong Kong and Chile continues to weigh on the traders' sentiment. The oil is trading moderately low today, while still holding firm at comfortable levels. Early in the day, Brent crude was trading at $61.75 a barrel. On Tuesday, the International Energy Agency released its annual forecast. According to the World Energy Outlook, by the year 2030, the United States will account for 85% of the increase in the global oil output, leaving OPEC and Russia well behind. The EIA has repeatedly warned that in the future oil supply in the market will exceed the demand. It seems that OPEC and allies will need to further limit the oil output. Although this measure may not boost the prices, it will help hold the quotes around the mark of $60 per barrel for Brent oil. The ruble is still facing the downward trend, with the dollar-ruble pair trading at 64.17 early on Wednesday. A combination of various negative factors reduces interest in risky assets, including the ruble. Besides, the US dollar has recently gained ground in the global market. On Tuesday, the US currency strengthened across the global market, trading steadily high against its major counterparts. Currently, the existing internal factors do not affect the ruble. This month, the currency inflow into the country may exceed the volume of purchases of foreign currency within the framework of the budget rule. However, in November, relatively small tax payments are recorded, and the amount of currency supply from exporters may be slightly lower than usual. In general, the overall attitude towards the currencies of emerging markets has become negative. Even the MSCI Emerging Markets Index has lost 1.4% over the past week, while the MSCI World Index was up by 0.5%. Risk appetite is likely to remain low for the rest of the week. This can push the ruble above the mark of 64 against the US dollar. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.